Oh my gosh, like, do you see the glow? I mean, some people, they just want to blind people. Hi guys, it's your girl Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're most indefinitely welcome. Also, if you are returning to this channel, thank you so much for sticking with this baby girl. I do not take it for granted. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my contour with just powder. Now, I know the usual contouring and highlighting is to use concealers and all that good stuff, but I for one, I'm not really a fan of that. Okay, I'm not really a fan of that. I'd rather just do my contour and highlight with my powder because I don't like it too intense. Okay, and I'm good to go. So I'm just going to be showing you how I contour and highlight using just powders. I have various setting powders that I use. Okay, and it just depends on, for me I would say it depends on intensity, but most times when I'm using concealers to highlight and contour, I like to use the Sacha Buttercup to set my highlight. Okay, to set my highlight. Then I'm sure you probably know that this is like my best setting powder. I love this Mary Kay. I don't know, maybe because it's translucent and it was my first setting powder that I got, but I like the Mary Kay setting powder. Also, I have this S-Pon. If you've watched some of my makeup tutorials, I got this like not too long ago, like I think about a month or two, yeah, something like that. I got this about a month or two, and yeah, I've been loving it ever since. Though they say it is like a I don't know what they said, something like it's close to L'Oreal Mercier setting powder, but then it does it for me really. Then another setting powder that I've not really tried, I mean, I've had this for a while now, but I've not really used this, is the Fashion Fair loose setting powder. I've not really tried this as such, like I just got it, and you know, because I've been loving these other ones, I've not really used it. Okay, but for today's tutorial I'm going to be using the which one should we use? I'm going to be using, let me use the Mary Kay. I'm just going to pour some into the lid, and what I like about it is it has this open and close stuff. I don't know if you guys can see. So you close like this, you open like this, so that your powder does not just spill and all of that. So I'm just taking a little amount of what I want in this lid, and yeah. Then for my, okay, let's just highlight first. So I use literally any brush that goes into wherever it is that I want to go in. I don't think I have any specific brush for highlighting. I mean, as long as it does the job, like I can go ahead and squeeze if I want to go into some certain areas that this size of the brush is not allowing me to go into. So let's just let's highlight. It's a light. So now the usual thing is to do a V. I think I just do like under my eye and stuff. So what I do is I raise my eye, now you would notice that what I said initially, that size of brush is not going to get into all those places that I want it to get into. So I gotta squeeze that brush. want to be careful of your brows so that you don't smear your brows. Okay, so yeah, my nose as well. My nose, I try to be as precise as possible, but then when I'm contouring, it just everything just makes sense. Okay, and we are done with highlighting. Okay, so what I would usually use, what I use to contour, the powder I use to contour is this LA Pride USA oil control compact palette. Now it has like different shades of powders. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll be using this to contour. Like usually if I'm not using any of these setting powders, I would usually use this or this to set my either one or medium to set my under eye. But because I'm not using this, I'm just going to be using this to contour. Okay, and I'm using this it's not flat, but it's a flat brush kind of, and it just helps me get that angle that I want. Now another trick to contouring is that for you to get that natural contour line, what I like to do is just do like this. You see, once you do that, it helps you get your contour line. But I mean, some people are pro enough that they just know their natural contour line even without doing that. So yeah. Another thing is I like to like take my contour up a little. Yeah, we have what we want. So I'm just taking more powder and I'm going in. Now, as much as I want my face to be contoured, I don't want it too much. I mean, that's why I like to use the powder to just do the whole contouring thing. Yeah, I think I'm fine with this. Then I go like over here and here and here and here. I just do it like this because at the end of the day, I would usually blend it out. Okay, so yeah. So before blending, this is what we are looking like right now. Yeah, this is what we're looking like right now. So I'm going to take that same flat brush that I used. I'm just going to dust off the excess setting powder that I have on it. So I'm going to be taking this medium shade powder and I'm going to be using it to blend out all the setting powder that I have. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? I didn't contour my nose. So yeah, I'm using that same shade of powder in dark and I'm going to be contouring my nose. I like to take it from the bridge of my nose and just gradually bring it down. Okay, so once we've done that, I'm going in to blend out everything. Okay, so okay, so I've blended it and like we can all see my under eye looks brighter. My under wanted like eye looks brighter, like just bright enough for what I want. I don't want it too out there. So yeah, my contour line is still showing. I've not blended my contour out, so I'm just going to go over with my powder, and this is the MAC Studio Fix. I'm just going to go over it and yeah, and just blend everything all up together. So yeah, so you can see that here is lighter and here is looking dark, so it's just about the right amount that I want for my contour line. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer, you know, and stuff. And yeah, I'm using the same eyeshadow that I used for my lids to bronze, which means that you can improvise. I mean, you don't need to have like a whole Alita Revolution Sugar and all of those palettes to actually highlight your face. So let's go. So I just like to raise my cheeks up. I don't know, I just like it that way, and then I go towards my brows. So yeah, gosh, damn. Oh my gosh, like, do you see the glow? Anyways, let's just blend. Okay. I'm still going to blend it out because as much as I like the glow, I don't like it all out there. So I mean, some people, they just want to blind people, but me, no. I mean, my eyelashes are dramatic enough. So there's a highlighter up here. So I'm going into my powder, and I'm just going to use it to blend the highlighter. Oh yeah, I forgot to highlight my forehead and stuff. Okay guys, so I've contoured, I've highlighted, bronzed and stuff. Yeah, I'm not using blush today. I don't feel up to it. Oh yeah, I would usually use my blush, okay, but I like this. I mean, this is what we're looking like right now. Okay guys, so I just finished this look, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished look. So I'll be right back guys. Here is the finished look. Yeah, I decided to go for this wine shade for my lips. I mean, I would usually go for nude if you know me, but today I decided to go for a nude. So yeah, don't smell. Okay guys, so here is the finished look, and truth be told, I didn't expect it to come out this bold. Like, this is not a me look if you know me, okay? But then it is what it is. There is no harm in trying new stuff, right? Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you loved anything about this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, if there's anything you want me to do on this channel that you have not seen, please let me know in the comment section as well, and I'll be more than glad to create a content around whatever it is that you want. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.